Welcome to the Applications Platform training videos from Codeless Platforms. Here are the objectives and approximate running time for this video. In the previous video, we created the beginnings of an application with a catalog object and fields. We will now continue with the next stage of our application. Let's create an inventory account. On the sidebar, click New Menu and then select a new object with tab. On the New Object page, we'll give the object the name Inventory Account. Add the record Inventory FY, as this will be shown by fiscal year. Then accept the defaults for all the other options and click Save. The new tab page will now appear. We'll accept the defaults and click Save to continue. We are now returned to the application with the new Inventory Account object selected. We now need to create fields to structure the records we will be adding later. Select the drop-down arrow next to Inventory Account, then select Object Definition. On the top bar, click Fields, which jumps us down the page, and then click the New Field button. Let's choose the field type integer and click Next. Then we'll give the field label the name Beginning Inventory and the view header name Beginning. Set the default value and minimum value to 0. And click Save. On the Add to Pages and View screen, select All Inventory Accounts. Now we can click Save and New to create the next field. Select the field type as integer, then click Next. We will name this field label Purchased Inventory and the view header Purchased. We'll then set the default value and minimum value to 0. Then we can click Save, and on the Add to Pages and View screen, select All Inventory Accounts. Now click Save and New to create another field. Choose Integer, then click Next. Type the field label Sold Inventory. We'll name the view header On Hand. Then set the default value and minimum value to 0. Click Save. Now let's click All Inventory Accounts to add the field into the view page. We will click Save and New to create the last field for this object. We'll select the field type as integer and click Next. Enter the name Ending Inventory for the field label and type Ending for the view header. Then type 0 for the default value and minimum value, and click Save. On the Add to Pages and View screen, select All Inventory Accounts and click Save. Then return to Classic Guitars at the top right of the screen. We are now returned to our application with the Inventory Account tab selected. Let's create some inventory records. To do this, click the Add Inventory Account button. On the New Inventory Account page, input the following data: Inventory Financial Year 2012, Beginning Inventory 0, Purchase Inventory 100, Sold Inventory 50, Ending Inventory 50. Then click Save and New to create our next record. For the next record, we'll type Inventory Financial Year 2013, Beginning Inventory 50, Purchase Inventory 200, Sold Inventory 100, and Ending Inventory 150. We'll click Save and New to move on to the last record. On the last record, we'll type Inventory Financial Year 2014, Beginning Inventory 150, Purchase Inventory 500, sold inventory 350, and ending inventory 300. Finally, click Save. We are now returned to the Inventory Account tab, where you can see the records we have just created. And that's it for this video. We've created an inventory account and added physical records. In the next video, we'll be creating the relationships between the catalog, add inventory objects, and attaching records. Thanks for watching.